Hi friends, this is the gingerbread mystery picture. So you will see there are 6 number sentences over here, subtraction number sentences. And then you will see 6 pictures over here. Now each picture has a little number somewhere on the picture, okay? There's the number 2, the number 6, the number 7, the number 9, the number 1, and the number 4. So you're going to solve this number sentence, get your answer, and then whatever answer that is, you're going to grab that picture and glue it onto that square, okay? Then you're going to go to this number sentence, solve this number sentence, whatever the total is, or excuse me, whatever the answer is, you're going to put that number on that square. So you're going to come up with a brand new picture right here after putting these pictures over here on top of the correct square of the answer that you get when you solve these number sentences.